Your AI agent just did something dumb. It forgot what you told it, or it used the wrong file, or it just lost the plot. You blame your prompt and you rewrite again, or you blame the model so you switch to a smarter one and you pay more. Here's the thing, it's almost never the prompt and it's almost never the model. The real reason has a name, and once you see it, you can't unsee it. Quick thing before we start, if breakdowns like this help you, hit like and subscribe. One confusing thing made simple every week. Okay, let's just get into it. Couple of years ago, everyone learned a skill called prompt engineering. The idea was simple: write a clever instruction, get a good answer. You are an expert, I'll tip you. Take a deep breath, think step by step for one question and one answer. That worked fine. Then AI agents showed up and they broke the whole thing. Here's why. A prompt is just one message, but an agent doesn't send one message. It runs in a loop, it thinks, it uses a tool, it reads the result, it thinks again, maybe 50 times to finish one single job. And every time it thinks, it's not just reading your clever prompt, it's reading everything: your instructions, the whole chat, every file it opened, every result it got back, its own past thoughts as well. What decides if the agent works isn't your prompt anymore. It's that whole pile of stuff sitting in front of it. Managing that pile is a different skill, and it has a name: context engineering. So what are we actually managing? The context window. Think of it as the model's short-term memory, its RAM. It's the text the model can hold in its head at one time. And here's the part people miss. The model knows what's in that window right now. That's its whole world. If something's not in the window, then to the model it doesn't exist. Doesn't matter what you said 10 minutes ago, doesn't matter that it's in a file on your computer. If it's not in the window, it's gone. Now, the window has a limit. You have heard the big numbers: a million tokens, 2 million. A token is about 3/4 of a word, so a million tokens is like reading several books at once. Sounds like the fix is easy, right? Just get a bigger window, dump everything in, let the model sort it out. Hold that thought, because that's exactly what's breaking your agent. Here's the truth almost nobody tells you. More context doesn't make the model smarter. Past a point, it makes it more dumber. This has a name too: context rot. Some people call it lost in the middle. The more you stuff in, the worse the model gets at using it. It remembers the start, it remembers the end, it quietly loses the middle. Think about how backwards that is. A model that can hold a million tokens doesn't actually use a million tokens well. The window size is the most it can hold, not the amount it can think about clearly. It's like a desk. A bigger desk doesn't make you organized. Pile enough junk on any desk and you can't find the one page you need. So dumping everything in is the worst thing you can do. The goal was never more context, it's the right context. That's the whole game. Okay, bad context breaks your agent, but bad isn't one thing. It goes wrong in 4 ways. Once you know their names, you'll spot them everywhere. 1. Poisoning. The model makes one mistake, a wrong fact, and it gets saved into the context. Now every step after reads it and trusts it. One small lie poisons the rest. 2. Distraction. The history gets so long that the model starts staring at what it already did. It repeats old moves instead of thinking fresh. 3. Confusion. You give it too much that looks useful. 20 tools when it needs 2. 10 documents when it needs 1. The extra stuff drags the answer the wrong way. 4. Clash. The window holds two things that disagree: an old answer and a new correction. The model gets mixed signals and it picks wrong. Poisoning, distraction, confusion, clash. Every failing agent has at least one. So how do you fix it? 4 moves, that's the whole craft. Write, select, compress, then isolate. Write means take stuff out of the window, put it in a note, a file, a memory. The agent writes it down and looks it up only when it needs it, like you jotting a note instead of memorizing everything. Select means pull in only what matters right now, not all your files. The one file, not all your tools. The one tool, this is the real job behind that word you keep hearing: rag. Grab the right piece at the right time. Compress means shrink what you keep. Summarize the old chat into a few lines. Cut a huge result down to the part that mattered. Keep the meaning, drop the bulk. Isolate means split the work. Give one helper agent one small job with its own clean window. It does it and it hands the answer back. Each one stays sharp because none of them is carrying everything. Write, select, compress, then isolate. Every fancy agent framework you have heard of is just these four dressed up. So let's get back to the start. Your agent did something dumb and you were about to blame the prompt or the model. But now you know where to look, the window. Is something poisoned? Is it distracted by too much history? Confused by too many tools? Holding two things that fight? The model was almost never the problem, your context was. And that's why this is the real skill now. Prompt engineering was writing one clever sentence. Context engineering is controlling everything the model sees the moment it decides. And as models get smarter, this matters more, not less, because a genius model with a messy window still fails. So next time your AI does something dumb, don't rewrite the prompt for the sixth time. Don't go buy a smarter model. Look at the window, fix what's in it. That's the whole game now. If this finally made context engineering click, you already know what to do. Subscribe, one confusing thing made simple every week. And tell me down in the comments what's the dumbest thing an AI has ever done to you. See you in the next one. Bye bye.